The promise of artificial intelligence in healthcare is monumental, from diagnosing diseases with superhuman accuracy to personalizing treatment plans. But as we integrate these powerful tools into the very fabric of clinical decision-making, we are confronted with a critical question. Are we building a more equitable system, or are we codifying our existing biases into silicon? The core of the issue lies in the data used to train these AI models. An algorithm is only as unbiased as the information it learns from. If a diagnostic AI is trained predominantly on medical data from one demographic, say a specific ethnic group or gender, its performance will inevitably falter when presented with a patient from a different background. We've seen real-world cases where skin cancer detection algorithms, trained primarily on lighter skin, fail to identify malignancies on darker skin. This isn't a hypothetical future. It's a present-day risk that can exacerbate health disparities. This moves the conversation from pure technology to one of ethics and governance. The concept of a black box algorithm, where even its creators cannot fully explain why it reached a specific conclusion, is untenable in medicine. A clinician must be able to trust, but also verify. The why behind a diagnosis is often as important as the what. This has given rise to the critical field of explainable AI, creating systems that can articulate their reasoning, turning a recommendation into a consultative tool for the physician, not an opaque decree. Furthermore, the deployment of AI introduces new layers of liability. When an AI-assisted decision leads to a negative outcome, who is responsible? Is it the physician who followed the suggestion? The hospital system that procured the tool? Or the developer who created the algorithm? Our legal and regulatory frameworks are currently racing to catch up with this new reality. The path forward requires a multidisciplinary approach. It is not enough to have brilliant data scientists and engineers. We need ethicists, sociologists, and most importantly, diverse clinical voices at the table from the very beginning. Rigorous, ongoing auditing for bias must become a non-negotiable standard, not an afterthought. The goal is not to resist this technological wave, but to steer it with intention. By proactively addressing the challenges of bias, transparency, and accountability, we can guide the development of AI from a potentially disruptive force into a truly transformative and trustworthy partner in building a more precise, efficient, and fair healthcare system for all. I hope you enjoyed the video. Would appreciate it if you'd like the video and subscribe to the channel so we can reach more listeners like yourself. Until next time, stay informed, stay healthy, and continue exploring the world of healthcare with us. I remain your host, Sunday Clement. Thanks for listening.